okay. Maybe it changed my mind a little bit. What's up, YouTube? A new video. Today I'm going to be going back over the M3 because in Michael's garage it was pretty dark and he brought the car. It's right over there. Also got the Born to Die beanie on. Go check them out if you haven't already. I don't know squat about these BMW cars, but Michael's been converting me. Let's go ahead and sit in it. Honestly, first impressions of the interior is super nice. I don't know if you guys can see this. It has like this white leather with the M badge. Even the back is white leather as well. It has a carbon knob and carbon center console all the way and carbon dash. I really want to start it, but I'm gonna wait for Michael to come down so he can start it because it's neither of our cars. But I do think that the interior is my favorite part of this car. I haven't gone for a ride yet, so I don't know how it feels. About vlogging and stuff, I feel like I'm getting a little bit better about talking to the camera and how I'm wording things, I guess. I feel like when I'm talking to the camera, I really don't know what to say sometimes, but I don't know. Practice makes perfect, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. Also, I have some other video ideas in the future, and I know Michael's down. Home run derby video or something. Whoever gets the most home runs wins, I guess. Maybe some sports stuff that we can do on our time off or something. Oh, I just noticed that he has the LED monitor right here and the lights for when you're ready to shift gears. That's absolutely sick. So the interior in this is definitely my favorite. I don't know if this is stock. I'm pretty sure this might be aftermarket. 200 on the dash. Yeah, mine only goes to like 140, bro. Comes with the Harman Kardon sound system as well. These are the fenders that Michael just put on. Forged carbon. I believe they're from Danny Man. You can really see the sun hitting the pearl. Look at that. Even the camera still doesn't do it justice how good this looks. Also has the carbon APR performance wing. Also has a carbon roof. I'm not sure if the cars come like this or he put it on here, but nonetheless pretty cool. These on Michelin Pilot ports, 265 35 19s. Some VMR wheels. If I was to rate this car 1 to 10, it'd probably be a 9. But yeah, what would you guys rate this car? 1 to 10. I haven't heard this car start up yet, especially on cold start. I believe Michael said this has a S55. I've never heard one before, or maybe I have, but I don't think I have. But this car is actually really sick. I've met Garrett once or twice. I actually did a video on his 1 Series before. I had since taken that video down because I didn't like those videos, but hopefully in the future I can redo that. And yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed the video or what you guys want to see next. Let me know. I was just telling him I never heard of S55.
Never heard of S55? Mm-mm. Well, close your ears to it. It sounds like trash.
No, really?
I'm just kidding. Stock, it sounds okay. When you have the mid pipes and stuff, the equal length mid pipes, it sounds pretty cool. No, I just gotta shut up. I'm yapping.
That's it? Not gonna hear you.
I wish I wasn't poor, bro. If I could own a Champagne Quartz F80, I don't even like F80s. I've seen like 100 videos. I don't even like F80s that much. If I could own this car, I'd be the happiest guy in the world.
Really?
This thing is fire.
The interior is my favorite part. Does this come stock OEM?
No, but this is an OEM part.
Really? What the heck?
It's that performance.
What is it showing?
It's got coolant temps at all temps, and you can kind of shift through. It's got a timer.
And it also has the LED lights.
I don't know if this one. Maybe it does. I never played with it. I think they do, but I don't know how to use it.
That's crazy. But the interior is definitely my favorite.
Dude, the extended, so not regular Silverstone, extended Silverstone with the leather dash.
Yeah, I was talking about the carbon. That's stock too?
This, yes. I don't think this is. I could be wrong.
I would assume
Don't quote me on that one. It might be. It might be like a certain package. I've seen them without, though, so that's the only reason I know.
Heck yeah.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go back up top and make paperwork.
See ya. Have a good day. Oh, okay. Maybe it changed my mind a little bit.
Send a friend of when I sent, ayy. Understand an event, what would you rent, ayy? Zena, like one event, would you rent, ayy? Yeah, look, ayy, 2 hands Xanax on my panic. If not attack, instead it relapse into my old ways. In the 3rd grade, I got punished for cyber play. Call my friend Johnny a fuckface. Snuck outside and shot pedestrians with my Draco missing my AK. They yelling out Mayday. Used to got a problem. Grandma no loose in these wallet. How's your children? Cause if he finds you, you're dead within the next hour. Shedding tears to a dying flower while he's laughing, plotting for power. Let's say Roger, I couldn't find him. I heard a woman got
The S55 rolling right now actually sounded really good. Did not sound that good on cold start. Maybe I just need a downpipe to change my mind. Would you guys rather have B58 or S55? Let me know.